sits, and we will create a new migration. As we have created our migration, we can now call core CLI to update our database. Let's actually start building our application. In the shipments application contracts, I have created a iShipments service interface. We need to inherit from the base iApplication interface from ABP. And here is how we can implement this interface. We need to inherit from the base shipments app service, and we can inject a generic repository. Here is how we can create a shipment. The first step, we check if the shipment for the given order already exists. If yes, we return an error. If the shipment doesn't exist, we create a shipment entity, we map it from our request, and call the insert method from the base repository. And finally, we map our shipment entity to the shipment response. Here, I will show you how we can perform our mapping. We can do our mapping manually, or we can use the built-in automapper profile. Each application project has a profile template, and here is specified our mapping. Next, we have two options. We can create a controller that will call the methods of this service, or we can delegate creating a controller to ABP itself. Let's explore this option. In our application, we will navigate and find our shipments module. In the pre-configure services method, we need to include this line. We need to configure IMVC builder and add application part, which automatically registers controllers for our module. We only need to add a root path for our API. Let's build and run our application. Okay, our application is up and running, and we can navigate to the Swagger UI. Here we can find our shipments, and let's create a shipment. Success! We have created our first use case with ABP. As you can see, in a few minutes we have set up a project with ABP and have already created the database, our first entities, mapping, and the first use case that creates and retrieves entity from the database.